Alright, so welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to be working on my engine once again. I did go get a new clutch for it just the other day. It's right here. It's pretty nice. Got everything for it, new bearings, new everything. So I'm going to be working on my transmission also. The main goal for today is I'm going to be working on my engine and trying to get that all together and put it in my frame. So I did go ahead and take out the pilot bearing, throw the new one in it, and line everything back up on the back. So I got it all on now, guys. Man, was that a pain. It's kind of cold in here. My fingers are cold, so everything I touch is cold. I feel like my fingers are brittle right now. I'm gonna go through this, tighten all these up, and I think it's about ready to throw on the pressure plate on the new clutch. Other than that, it's almost there. Put the starter on it, try and get it back in the frame today, I hope. Alright, so this is pretty dirty here. I'm going to use some lacquer thinner to clean all this off. You can also use brake cleaner. Now you just got me laughing, bro. Alright, so I got a new pressure plate right here. It did come with some oil coating on it so it doesn't rust. So I'm going to go through with the lacquer thinner and wipe everything off. No, I did that on purpose too. Hey, you want the flick, bro?
Give me the flick.
I got a glove on, so that's a little weird.
That's not it. You know what I'm talking about. We got split. So I'm gonna torque them down there. Finally get to put these two things back together again. It's been a long time. right, so we're gonna get this thing jacked up in the air and put the engine back in the frame finally.
There we go. It's on there.
All right, so now we're gonna be putting the frame back, the cab back on the frame. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be putting the cab back on the frame.
Keep an eye on them doors. Keep an eye on that door. It's coming in.
Like a vertical.
You don't. That's it. There you got. Nathan, if you want to, come up here and work the front of this. Yeah. Go a little more. I think so too.
right, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. We got a lot done this weekend. Got the whole motor in the cab. Got the cab sitting on it now. Can't wait to get the bed back on it. That'll be one thing to do. So please like, share, and subscribe on this video. I would really appreciate that. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link down below. Yeah, so catch me out on the next one, guys.